Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Trike. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 62,149 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output of 14 volts, installed the new front tire, and both rear tires are at 6/30 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the cruise control is inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and paint chips on the rear fenders, and a broken reflector. This trike has 2 keys and 2 fobs. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and reverse. It's been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers, an aftermarket Stage 1 intake, a passenger backrest, a luggage rack, a timing cover, primary cover, an LED headlight, heated grips, and a fuel door cover. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.